WISFOR-Bluetooth bathroom mirror. The new series of bathroom mirrors come equipped with Bluetooth speakers and LED lights. Why choose our bathroom mirrors? 2024 most popular bathroom stylish furniture bathroom mirror with Bluetooth speaker. Developed by a team of specialized designers. Each layer of the structure is meticulously crafted. Today our business has expanded worldwide. We are proud to be a globally recognized brand, showcasing and recommending a variety of styles. One touch to turn on. Loud treble and hidden Bluetooth for clean mirrors. 360 degrees surround sound audio, clear and full sound quality. Long press to turn on Bluetooth digital Bluetooth logo display on.
I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Oh girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh mine.
Switch button, 3-color light adjustment changes. Brightness adjustment, 3-color switching, soft light, strobe free. Light up your every wonderful moment radiating confidence. Press and hold adjust the brightness between. CRI equals 95%-97% ultra high fidelity. IP65 waterproof LED strip slideshow. One press to defog anti-fogging technology. Anti-fog reflect your charm more clearly. Memory function. 3rd generation of resin mirror with hanging horizontally or vertically. 5mm HD silver mirror. When you light me up, you will see the best of yourself. Illuminate your beauty. Welcome to inquire our more Bluetooth lighted mirror with speaker. The combination of lighting and Bluetooth audio features. More styles to choose from. Mirrors bring you a different taste in life. Equipped with wall hooks you can hang anywhere you want. WISFOR-Bluetooth bathroom mirror.